What if I told you that feeling happier, calmer, and more mentally energized doesn't require a complete life transformation? No extreme diets, no exhausting workouts, and no expensive therapies. What if the real change you've been searching for has always been hidden inside the smallest decisions you make every single day? Decisions so simple that most people completely overlook them. All of us want to feel better mentally and emotionally.
At some point, we convince ourselves that improvement must come from dramatic change. We imagine we need to rebuild our lives from scratch to finally feel good. But the truth is far quieter and far more powerful. The most life-changing transformations often begin with tiny habits, small actions that slowly weave themselves into our daily routines, until one day they reshape our brain, our emotions, and even our identity.
This idea lies at the heart of the book The Dose Effect: Small Habits to Boost Your Brain Chemistry, written by psychologist and mental health specialist T.J. Power. After years of clinical work and scientific research exploring the relationship between brain chemistry and everyday behavior, Power arrived at a surprisingly simple conclusion: feeling better doesn't require complicated formulas. It begins with understanding how the brain works and gently guiding it in the right direction through small, consistent actions. There are no unrealistic promises in this approach, no magical shortcuts. Everything presented is grounded in science and real human experience. And while the original book spans more than 300 pages, what we explore here represents only a glimpse into its deeper insights. Because ultimately, this journey teaches us how small improvements in sleep, nutrition, stress management, movement, and human connection can create profound change. Everything begins with the brain. Many people believe mood and energy are determined by luck or genetics, but in reality, your brain functions like an advanced chemical laboratory. Every thought you experience, every emotion you feel, every burst of motivation or wave of exhaustion is shaped by chemicals released inside your brain. T.J. Power himself became fascinated with this mystery from childhood. He wondered why some days felt naturally joyful, while others felt heavy and draining without any clear reason. That curiosity led him into psychology and eventually into years of studying how brain chemistry influences human behavior. Working with patients struggling with anxiety, depression, insomnia, and chronic stress, he searched not for abstract theories, but for practical solutions people could actually use. He explains that much of our emotional experience revolves around 4 essential brain chemicals: dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphins. Dopamine drives motivation and reward. Oxytocin creates connection and trust. Serotonin supports calmness and satisfaction, and endorphins act as the brain's natural painkillers, generating feelings of well-being. Most of us wait for a miracle to change how we feel. Yet Power argues that small daily habits can directly increase these chemicals. A short walk, listening to music you love, a sincere conversation with someone you trust. These seemingly ordinary moments quietly reshape your brain chemistry, often without you even realizing it. One of his clients constantly felt exhausted and unmotivated. After deeper exploration, they discovered the real cause wasn't laziness or personality, it was chronic stress and poor sleep lowering serotonin and endorphin levels. The solution wasn't dramatic. Simply turning off the phone 30 minutes before bed and taking a short walk after dinner gradually transformed that person's mental state. A small change producing a powerful result. And this reveals the first essential truth. Improving your emotional well-being begins with understanding your brain. Once we understand how these chemicals influence our mood, we enter the true core of the book, the world of small habits. Transformation doesn't come from extraordinary effort. It comes from consistency. Power describes habits as doses. Each small action carries a measurable impact on your mental state. and repeated daily, those doses can completely reshape your life. Take sleep, for example. We are often told to sleep 8 hours, but Power emphasizes quality before quantity. Something as simple as turning off your phone 20 minutes before bed or adjusting the lighting in your room can significantly improve sleep quality. The brain responds to signals, not intentions.
The same applies to nutrition. You don't need extreme diets. Adding one healthy element, fruit, nuts, or nutrient-rich foods, gradually helps regulate brain chemistry. Even small dietary improvements can stabilize mood over time. Movement follows the same principle. Many believe happiness requires intense workouts or gym memberships. Yet just 10 minutes of walking can increase serotonin and endorphin levels, often creating the motivation needed to build healthier routines naturally. The key is to stop viewing habits as punishment and start treating them like a daily game, one small step at a time. But here's where most people fail. We expect rapid results. The human brain, however, loves predictability and repetition. Even when progress feels invisible, consistent action slowly rewires neural pathways, just like learning a new language or developing a new skill through daily practice. Then comes one of the most fascinating ideas in the book, learning how to guide the brain by working with its reward system.
When you reward yourself after completing a small task, enjoying tea after studying, or listening to music after finishing work, your brain begins associating positive emotions with productive behavior. Over time, discipline transforms into desire. Another powerful strategy involves shrinking goals. Large goals trigger resistance, while small goals invite action. Instead of committing to an hour of exercise, begin with 10 minutes. That small commitment often grows naturally into something bigger. Environment matters too. The brain always chooses the easiest option available. If you want to reduce phone usage, place it farther away or disable notifications. By changing your surroundings, you subtly guide behavior without relying solely on willpower. Power also shares personal experiences of stress and burnout, showing how returning to simple habits helped recalibrate his own mental state. The message becomes clear. We don't need extraordinary solutions. We need awareness and intentional structure. Stress and anxiety, he explains, are unavoidable parts of life. In fact, stress itself isn't the enemy. A certain level is necessary for survival. The real danger begins when stress becomes chronic. When anxiety persists, the brain continuously releases cortisol, preparing the body for danger, the ancient fight-or-flight response. The problem is that modern stress rarely involves physical threats, yet the brain reacts to emails, deadlines, and bills as if facing real danger. The body remains stuck in survival mode. Breaking this cycle can start with incredibly simple actions. Slow, deep breathing signals safety to the brain and gradually lowers cortisol levels. Light stretching or walking helps the brain recognize that the threat has passed. Writing down worries transfers mental pressure onto paper, creating immediate psychological relief. Human connection plays another crucial role. A short conversation or message to someone supportive can dramatically reduce anxiety by increasing oxytocin levels. Connection, quite literally, becomes medicine. The book then turns to 3 foundational pillars of well-being: sleep, nutrition, and physical movement. These may sound familiar, yet they function like the legs of a chair. Weaken one, and balance collapses. Quality sleep allows the brain to repair itself and regulate chemical balance. Establishing a calming nighttime routine, putting away digital devices, dimming lights, or drinking herbal tea prepares the brain for rest. Nutrition fuels emotional stability. Foods rich in omega-3, colorful fruits, vegetables, and balanced meals support dopamine and serotonin production. Extreme restriction often leads to failure. Balance sustains progress. And movement doesn't require perfection. Simple stretching or brief walks release endorphins and oxytocin, restoring energy even on difficult days. Feeling good is not accidental. It is supported by these daily foundations. Perhaps one of the most powerful sections explores human relationships. Many assume happiness is purely individual, achieved through personal discipline alone, but the human brain evolved for connection. Interaction with others stimulates chemicals responsible for safety, trust, and joy. Even brief conversations or simple check-ins can transform an entire day. At the same time, healthy boundaries are essential. Not every relationship deserves equal emotional investment. Distancing from toxic environments protects mental well-being and strengthens self-worth. Acts of empathy, even helping a stranger, trigger endorphin release. Our brains are wired to benefit from kindness. Finally, power addresses sustainability. Many people adopt good habits temporarily, only to abandon them once they feel better. True success lies not in intensity, but in consistency. Progress matters more than perfection. Setbacks are inevitable. What matters is returning to the habit again and again. Each return strengthens neural pathways, making positive behavior easier over time. Comparison with others only disrupts this process. Every person changes at a different pace. Celebrate small victories, sleeping 5 minutes earlier, choosing one healthy meal, taking one short walk. These moments quietly build a new future. He concludes with mindfulness, the practice of experiencing life consciously. Paying attention to thoughts and emotions helps us recognize when we drift away from balance and when we return. And ultimately, the message is simple yet profound. A better life is not controlled by chance. Through small, repeatable habits, we can adjust the chemical doses within our brain and move, step by step, toward lasting well-being. Because transformation doesn't happen in giant leaps. It happens in small moments, repeated daily, until one day you realize your reality has changed, and perhaps it always began inside your mind.